Today's video is sponsored by Lowe's. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My mission continues to update my apartment that I've lived in for over a decade. Today I'm working on making some changes to my bedroom. I am not a DIY person, not an interior designer. I just want to make a beautiful home for me and my dog and not let procrastination win, because I have had so many ideas in my head for so long and it's time to finally get into action. All right, let's get my bedroom looking nice and serene. Bedroom needs a makeover. I don't know the full vision for it yet, but I know that eventually I want to get a rug. I'm gonna take these dirted, dusty, old curtains down and see if I can fill in the holes. And then I'm going to do some sort of like roller blind or something here, but I think it'll look nice to kind of open up the room a little bit to get rid of this curtain wall. Now I'm gonna take the hooks down and spackle the holes. And look at those cobwebs. Gonna wipe those cobwebs off too. After almost 13 years of living in my one-bedroom apartment, it is definitely time for some upgrades. And thanks to the sponsor of today's video, Lowe's, I have everything I need to zhuzh up my space. I have been saying for a very long time that I want to make repairs, fix things, but then I get overwhelmed and I don't know where to start. And so Lowe's makes it very easy to shop. I like to go on Lowes.com for the more essential pieces. They offer free shipping on items over $45, same day shipping if you order before 2 p.m. on eligible in-store items. Like I got a step ladder so I can finally take down the curtains that have desperately needed to be laundered for literal years. I kept putting it off because I didn't have a step ladder. I went into my local Lowe's so that I could scour the different paint colors because I am wanting to paint my bedroom. They have this whole painter's checklist that walks you through every single item you need to take on a project like this. And so I got all of my paint supplies at Lowe's. I picked out 2 different colors. You guys tell me which one you prefer. I'm kind of leaning towards the lighter color. So I got 2 Sherwin-Williams colors. So I did an eggshell finish in their Copen blue, and I also got another one of their sea salt color, both by Sherwin-Williams, and then I went with their gold standard Infinity. Now through September 4th is a great time to be shopping at Lowe's in person or Lowes.com because they have buy one, get one free for paint colors. So that was a phenomenal deal. And now I'm just trying to figure out which color do I like better. I've painted it in a couple of spots in the bedroom so I can kind of see how the light hits it, but I'm gonna paint the entire room this color, so I have to really make sure that I love it. Once I decide on my paint color, I have all of the supplies that I need. I got all of my brushes at Lowe's. I got an entire paint and trim kit. I got my brushes. I have my painter's tape, and I got this wall repair kit. So I have had these holes in my wall that have been staring at me for over a year from this botched job that my friend and we tried to put curtains up in my bedroom and just ended up making a whole bunch of holes in the wall and never did fill those holes. So until now, this little wall repair kit has me feeling so empowered, like I am truly a handy woman. And I just look forward to going through my entire apartment filling up all the little cracks and holes that have developed over time. That already has me feeling hopeful and empowered. I got my ceiling medallion from Lowe's. That's one of those decor accessory pieces that I feel like can elevate a space. So I love that. I'm definitely keeping that, but I'm ready to switch out my actual light fixture. So I've been eyeing this chandelier. It is a glass with a little bit of gold detailing. It looks like an antique piece. You can shop Labor Day savings for your entire home at Lowe's now through September 4th. Perfect time to make over your space just in time for fall. They have everything you need, whether you want to do a painting project in your bedroom like me, or you want to organize your fridge or your closet. I have all of my links listed underneath the video for you guys to shop. Thank you so much to Lowe's for sponsoring today's video. Thanks to you guys for checking out my links. Okay, let's get back to cleaning and organizing. Okay, it's the next day and I'm making a decision about this paint. I'm gonna go with this color on the left, the lighter color. It's a little bit more neutral, but it still has a little bit of that greenish hue to it, which I like, greenish blue. Yeah. I think my first goal is just to get this wall painted and see how it looks. And I'll clean the floors too. There's a lot of fur. Looks so pretty. You're gonna match my walls, baby. Cute. I'm gonna roller this wall. Got my extender and my paint brush thingy. I'm just gonna do this one wall. It's hard to see it on the window trim. It looks so different, maybe because it's so close to the natural light. Yeah, it looks really different. Okay, busting out the big guns. I've got my big roller thingy. I think that's the technical term. I'm gonna do this whole entire wall, trim included, and that will be it. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna hire help. I don't know what I'm thinking. So I found someone on TaskRabbit to come over that evening and paint the entire room. This is our progress after about 2 hours. I say our progress. This is his progress. Would have taken me 2 years to do all this, but he got it done in a few hours. Just having this room empty, it's the perfect time to do a deep cleaning, and the fresh coat of paint really does make the walls look a million times better. And then just getting all the fur and dirt, and every single baseboard was clean, the windowsill was clean, all the holes being spackled and filled, it just makes the whole entire room feel really brand new. The floors are old and chipped, but maybe if I do a round of floor polishing, it'll make it shine. That might get added to the to-do list. Don't lay down there. Don't lay down there. It's just so hard for him to get up off the floor when there's not a yoga mat down. But it does look so much nicer in here without one. Even when I have the yoga mats out, he still manages to find the one spot on the floor that's not covered. He likes to lay on the cold, hard floor. Keeps him cool.
Reflections of the clouds above, the sound of rain along the pond. The grass that grows beneath my feet, I close my eyes, the hum of bees. I plucked the flower violet green, lily of the valley on my knees. All the things I left behind, save this little place in my mind. I don't wanna lose.
I feel like the room looks elegant, feminine, peaceful, serene. I'm looking forward to adding a giant lush rug. I'm picturing something like a Roman shade covering the wall of windows. Just getting like the decor pieces added to the room. It's gonna make it look really lovely. Okay, let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.